Here is how to restore streak on TikTok. So first, go ahead and open your TikTok application on your device. Log into your specific account and also make sure that the TikTok application is up to date. You can ensure that by opening your App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok and then go ahead and update it. After that, you need to click on Inbox from the bottom right corner of the screen, that is between the plus icon and the profile, and you'll be taken to your inbox section where you need to go ahead and open the conversation where you want to restore your streak. Now to restore, click on restore option, which is highlighted in blue color in a very small font. Go ahead and select it. You can see that I still have 4 restores left with this specific person. And remember that you have up to 4 restores for an individual chat every month. So you can go ahead and click on restore, which is highlighted in pink color, and you'll be done. Now you can see that I have 3 restore left with this person. And that's how you easily go ahead and restore your streak on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.